Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techno Trends. In today's video, I will tell you about how beginners edit their videos from Adobe Premiere Pro. So first open your Adobe Premiere Pro, click on New Projects. Now click on Create, Replace. Now here is Adobe. First you import media. From import media to start, click on it and select any video or picture, whatever you want. I choose this one. Now drag this video into create sequence, just like this. Here is the video which we select. You can see here are also many options. I can choose this to cut my video. Okay, now I click on this and delete it like this. From this tool you can cut your from wherever you want and delete it just like this. You can see it, and also drag it to increase or decrease their length if you want. For cut the video, for edit the video, add animation just like this. You can cut your video into parts if you want. And change their parts also just like this. You can also add effects from here. First click on window and go to effects. There are many effects. You can add video transition, audio transition. First we go to video transitions to show you. There are many transitions. You can choose whatever you want. Just like this, you add transitions. Now you can see it. Here are many transitions. You can choose whatever you want. You can also add contrast from here, just like this. You can also increase their brightness from brighten and contrast just like this. And from effect control you can increase or decrease their brightness or contrast if you want, just like this. Now you can see it. You can also flip it. Now you can see it. Now search volume. You can also increase or decrease their volume if you want. from control effect. But its maximum range is 15 decibel. I can see it. Now at last go to export for download the video which we added. Change the first file name. If you want to change the quality of the video, you can. At last you can export the video from export. Now you can see the video is downloading. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, so like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.